What's up, dead dudes? It's Buddy and we're walking on the foggy trail. And thanks to living next to a high school, it sounds like Jumanji. It is less than 10 days to Halloween. Hell yeah. Oh man, Jumanji's getting angry. Jumanji's getting so angry. Oh. It's so funny too, because I brought this out the film and then they started making drum noises. And I was gonna go up to the path because it's hella foggy this morning and like film the owls hooting, but now I can't. So next time you hear the owls hooting and it's foggy, just film it then. Or else you get stuck with drums. Just run from the drums. Run away.